My God. Oh my God. It looks like 2 inches on the air conditioner. Oh my God. The kids are gonna crap their pants. Look out the window.
Yay!
Think about that, Emma.
We've been paid off.
I told you. And it's still snowing. Look, what do you see? What is that? Is that snow? What do you think about that?
So,
It's snowing? What is that? Is it snowing outside? What do you think? He's like, I don't know.
come home. The Lego retriever is going up on magic.
You must have been dreaming about the Lion Guard. Look at that snow. What do you think?
Now. So go to the library too.
I know you can hear it now. The sleet on the windows. Jonah, what do you think? He needs your help, Noah.
This ice or snow?
The snow. What is it, buddy?
I'm not being a whiny pants, but
Come on, you want to go down the stairs?
yeah. Thread is on my glove.
Come on, Joe.
Can I grab this leg?
Yeah.
Oh, snow.
What do you think?
Whoa.
Come on, buddy.
Whoa.
It's okay. Come on. What do you think? Jonah, look. Is it the snow? Come on, let's go to the backyard. Come on.
What? Back here. Whoa.
Let me see. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Do you like it, Jonah? I'm sure I look fairly ridiculous. Okay, come on. Let's go see if Daddy's at the window.
Daddy! Not over here. No.
Here, let's knock on the window.
This is soft snow.
Say, come to the window, Daddy.
Daddy! Daddy!
Jonah, do you like it?
Arthur, Daddy! know how we're gonna roll up a big ball. Let's try. There's a
Emma, you're losing your boots. You in it?
Yep. Ooh, I'm sinking in it. Daddy!
Daddy's butt's in a warm house.
Hey, hey.
You don't like it? Look, there's Papa Elsie.
Geared up for snow.
Hi, Jersey. We got 2 pants on.
Ah, good.
I got 3 shirts on.
Oh,
Is that Daddy? You see Daddy?
He ain't up there. He is.
What do you think, Noah?
It's fine.
Jonah, I don't know if you know what to think.
It's too thick to sled or
Yeah, I think they just sink right in it.
Yeah.
Probably,
You can get that 4-wheeler around.
Antarctica.
probably be okay to make a snowman. I don't have any gloves. Y'all have to. What is that, Joe? Vicky didn't want to come outside?
She walked out toward the brick house and went back and this wind. Johnny, you like the snow?
No, no!
Oh, no!
The snow!
Can you make the snowball? There, Noah.
I don't know even how to make
You just
Rumble.
pick it up and you ball it up.
soft over here.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh,
Wow!
ooh. Got the wind blowing up my back, Joe.
Like a snowman. It wouldn't roll up. It's too dry.
Oh no!
Oh no! Ouch! Okay, all done.
It hurts all around.
It hurts on your face.
Yeah.
Come on, Joe.
Snow
Don't fall down there.
Yeah, he walks in.
Come on.
Step it down, Emma.
His tongue.
He's not sure about it, is he?
Come on. Careful, slow, Noah. He's.
That guy slid.
Here, you want to walk on this side? Come on. Let's walk up this way. Good thing I got on another pair of pants. These ones falling off.
My hands.
Yeah, they're cold, huh? We need to get you guys some of those insulated kind of gloves. What do you think, my baby? Jonah, what do you think? Are you cold?
My pants are falling down.
What do you think? He keeps sticking his tongue out. What do you think? Is it cold? Here, let's say bye, Papa.
Bye.
Bye, Jonah.
We probably won't be out too much longer.
Yeah.
Come on.
Should be.
You should be, but you just said you were cold. I smell fire.
Me too. I wonder if you can feed a cow. Feed a cow.
Look at your
snow.
super cool boots.
Gross. No one would dare to feed a cow snow.
They probably lick it because they're thirsty.
Ugh. This is water.
Yeah, that's what it is. Frozen water, right?
I think this glove is broken already.
He keeps putting his tongue out in his mouth. There's our little house. house. There's Papa and Vicky's house. Are you a walking snowman? There's the cows up there. Let's see if I can zoom in and see them. And the moment me and the kids get inside the house, do you hear all that? Straight ice. There's no snow to that. It's just ice.
I got hit.
Oh my word. Did you eat Oreos? Did you eat some Oreos? That look. Jonah, let me see your face. Ooh, at your face.
Our footprint.
You got Oreo everywhere.
Our footprint.
You see your footprints out there?
Yeah.
We walked everywhere, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty quiet out there right now. It's not doing anything. And it's like 5:30. And all of it's supposed to start all over at 7 o'clock here in a little while. Oh, goodness, Lord, please don't let us lose power.
Yeah.